So story is the repository of culture. Everything we need to learn and know about who we are, where we came from, and where we're going is taught to us through the telling of stories. We may learn facts through didactic instruction, but we learn values and motivation through the chronological mystery that only a story can convey. Story requires the relentless, non-stop impulse of time, which can never be retrieved. Stories are thus intriguing myths that convey universal truths from generation to generation.